In the last 12 months, we've been on a very aggressive global expansion plan. We have set up an office in the UK, just out of London, where we have a warehousing operation as well. From there, I have 4 staff based, servicing the UK and the EU. We are setting up new distributors in Germany, in Switzerland, Spain and Portugal and the Nordic countries in the next 6 months. We've also signed several distribution agreements within the UK with large national companies. So we're very optimistic about the UK. It's looking very positive there, and so far so good. We have also got a distributor in the USA who's had a lot of success as well, and they've been building their way through the FDA, EPA processes there for all the regulatory approvals in the USA. It is complicated, but they're starting to get some major wins on the board, including national pharmaceutical chains, global car automotive companies, the Texas airports where our product is now being used as an antibacterial in the Texas airports, amongst the biggest airports in the USA. So USA, very optimistic. We've got a distributor in Japan and Korea. Both are through the regulatory process now, through the testing process, and are starting to make sales in those regions and looking very positive for the future. China is the same. To be honest, we've had a couple of false starts in China. It's not the easiest place in the world. We have learned by our mistakes, and we won't make the same ones again. So things are now looking very solid in China moving forward too. Negotiating new distributorships in Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Mexico, Brazil currently. We have a new distributor based in the UAE, a very well-known local family, and they are servicing all the UAE countries, Kuwait, Qatar and Oman as well. We have a distributor in Saudi Arabia who's having considerable success also. The last year has been a building blocks year of growing the base, doing tests. Because we make a lot of claims around our products, some people just don't believe the claims. For instance, we did a very successful trial with the London Underground that was hugely successful. We did a very successful trial with a major hospital group in New Jersey, once again, where Zoono was used in the infection control areas. There was a 593% reduction in the bacteria counts after 7 days. So they couldn't believe the results, but once again, they're all done independently. We have the tests audited independently as well. So we're very optimistic for the future. We're opening up a lot of areas in retail, in healthcare, in business to consumer. Last year we launched our own consumer sales website. It's going extremely well, building every month. We've also set up a similar website for the UK as well that will service the UK and the EU. So I'm very optimistic for Zoono. We're going really well. We've got a great team of people. We've got a functional, nice board. We all get on well. We all like each other, and everyone is right into the technology.